When the kettle boils, it does not turn off. Today I will show you how to fix this problem. Hello everyone, привет всем, and welcome back to very excited video blog. First we need a special screwdriver to remove the bottom of the kettle. We see a plate what bends when heated. Farabi disable the kettle button. This special plate is composed of two metals, B metal. Therefore, when heated, it bends. You can see that it is not tightly installed, and this is the main problem of this kettle button. We need to put something under the kettle button of the plate with B metal. I have put in a special cloth, but you can use something like plastic. That's all for today. The best way say thank you to the author is share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.